Once we have customized the desired information for the report, we can proceed with exporting or printing the calculation results. There are 3 ways to export an Excel report: by selecting the Write to Excel button in the standard toolbar, by selecting File, Excel, Write to Excel, or by opening the Export Options window, selecting File, Excel, Excel Content, and pressing the Excel button. The main advantage of using any of these approaches is that it provides 2-way communication with Excel, allowing the user to use the Read from Excel function to update information in the flowsheet using the Excel file. If you need the report printed in another file type, such as PDF, or want to use a customized template for the report structure, the best way to generate it is by using the Print Preview option. There are 3 ways to export the information via Print Preview: by pressing the Print Preview button in the standard toolbar, by selecting File, Print Preview, or by opening the Print Options, selecting File, Print Content, and pressing the Preview button. This opens the FF3 Preview, a FluidFlow support application where you can print or save the report to the desired file type. Note that the FF3 Preview is available for versions 3.50 and up.